Hello lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a deep conditioner for hair growth, which promotes hair growth for natural hair. You can even use it on treated hair. So we are going to use some hibiscus. So we are going to use actually 50 grams of our hibiscus, dry hibiscus leaves. You don't have to use fresh leaves because you don't want microbials to start growing in your products. So we'll go for dry hibiscus. So hibiscus actually has many vitamins and minerals that can promote hair growth. So it is actually a popular remedy for hair growth. It can stop hair loss and makes your hair healthy and lustrous. It also prevents premature graying of hair, and it will thicken your hair and add volume, and it will also treat dandruff and condition against frizz and dryness and breakage. So now you have to make sure that, of course, you let the hibiscus sit at least in the water for 15 minutes. When it cool, then you can actually strain it. So you don't have to use like plain water. So when you add herbs to your water phase, like it will go an extra mile, like you enhance your deep conditioner to work very well. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. And to my all subscribers, actually 841 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So we are going to preserve our hibiscus tea with our Yuxi preservative. Yes, this is a very, very important step. And then we are going to put it aside. And then we're going to use the high quart. Actually, it is 10 grams of our the high quart. So it will act as an emulsifier, and it will act as a conditioning agent. It will also help our conditioner not to separate because it acts as an emulsifier, and it gives good condition for hair and emulsifying properties. So we are also going to use our oils. Actually, I had shared on how you can make this stimulating herbal hair growth. Also, we are going to go in with 5 grams of our oil. So oil will lubricate the hair, it will strengthen the hair. Oil will give your hair some shine. If you have porous hair that soaks up oil and conditioner, your hair will probably appreciate hair penetrating oils in a deep conditioner treatment like coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and quite a number of penetrating oils. So you need a lot of lubrication to keep your hair sliding past each other. So we are actually mixing our oil phase. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below and share this video, friends. So at this point we have our two phases, phase A and B, and then we are going to put it on fire. And of course we are going to share. I'm going to show you phase C, which will add actually in the cool phase. So we have put it on fire, and it will start like heating up, and then once it's ready we'll put it off the fire. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out making your deep conditioner, or you're going to try out this formula to make your conditioner. So now we are pouring in our phase A into phase B. As you can see, like, we are not going to use any color. We are going to use our natural colorant from hibiscus. So we are going to use a handheld blender like so. So friends, of course, at this moment our formula actually it is hot. That's the reason why it looks like watery, but as it cools it will actually start thickening up like so. Have you seen, like, it has started thickening up, and the color is so beautiful, like an all natural color without adding any other color. Yeah. So for our cool phase, we'll have some peppermint. We are actually going to use 1 gram of our peppermint. So peppermint will improve hair growth, and peppermint contains a compound called menthol, is responsible for many of the benefits of oil. So menthol actually gives peppermint its taste and smell and cooling sensation. So I'm also going to use our hydrolyzed wheat protein. So protein is very good for hair damage. As you may be aware, like, hair damage has many sources like heat, bleaching, friction, chemicals, treatments, and etc. And it goes on like no matter what cause. So damaged hair often needs hydration and strengthening to be restored. So it's very, very important to use protein and to actually moisturize it, to strengthen the hair shaft and provide shine, and it will prevent breakage. And you have to use it like once per month. You don't have to overdo it. So now that our phase A and B are cool, we have added in our cool phase, and then we are going to blend. And we are also going to use to add in 1 gram of our preservative. We've already done that, and now we are transferring our product into our jars. Like, it looks beautiful, friends, but of course I did test for pH, and it was quite high, and I had to lower it by using citric acid. Yes, so that color is also so beautiful. Look at that, friends. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below. If you're going to try out this formula, comment in the section below, friends, and share this video. Like, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. I love sharing, and I love interacting. So comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Now it's that time, like, to start deep conditioning my hair. So of course, like, I do protein treatments once per month, friend. This is a very, very important step that you need to include in your regimen. Comment in the section below if a protein treatment is actually, part of your routine. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. So actually, I've been in a protective hairstyle for 1 month. So like, it has been 1 month without deep conditioning my hair. So this is a very, very important step that you need to do after a protective hairstyle, to make sure that your hair is strengthened, moisturized, and it is actually strengthened. This is a very, very important step, friends. It will also prevent breakage, and like, protein is very good no matter what your hair is. So of course, some people do DIY protein treatments, like from eggs and avocado, but those are not important because the molecules are very big, so they don't really help your hair very much. So that's the reason why, like, I don't do those treatments as protein treatments, but I go specifically for hydrolyzed wheat protein, keratin protein, collagen protein, jojoba protein, hydrolyzed, like they've been broken into smaller molecules so that they can penetrate your hair. So like, I always work in sections, and make sure that you comb through. Of course, I just comb through using my hands. And once I'm done with that section, then I move on to another section. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. So this is a simple protein treatment that you can make at home, friends, with few ingredients. So like, we literally use few ingredients, friends. Comment in the section below if you're going to try out this formula. Yes. So friends, I'm encouraging you, like, to share our videos in groups where you think they can benefit. This will really help us so that we can reach a bigger audience. So in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow to a bigger audience. So my goal is actually 1,000 subscribers, and I believe and have faith that it's going to happen, friends. Yes. So like, that is how much. Of course, I had 2 jars, so this was actually 250-gram batch. Yes, so like, we still have a lot in another jar, which will actually last us, I think, for 3 months. Yes, even more than that. Yes, because a protein treatment actually is supposed to be done once per month, or every 2 weeks, or depending on how your hair is, but mostly I usually do a protein treatment, once per month, because when you overdo it, then it will have adverse effects on your hair. Yes. So friends, like, I love formulating my own hair products, and I do sell and to family and friends. But of course, I haven't yet launched, but it's my prayer that one day I'm going to launch. Yes, so we are trying as much as possible, to grow our hair so that it can go back to the way it used to be, because I used to have long, beautiful hair, friends. Yes, so hair takes a while to grow. Of course, some people are different, and there's no product actually which can make your hair grow overnight. It is a lie, friends. It's a myth. It takes patience and consistent. So now at this point, I love going in with more products. And of course, we are braiding that section which unveiled. Yes, this helps us so that our hair, can be well lubricated. And I'm going in with more, like in areas where I didn't probably coat the conditioner very well. This is just my preference. You don't have to do this, friends. So that is how much hair came out, some shady hair. And the conditioner in that jar, actually it was about 60 grams. It finished, and we are remaining with this one. Like, I love that beautiful color, how it came out, and the smell of menthol from peppermint is just beautiful. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to sit and a bonnet hair dryer. So we are putting on a plastic cap so that the products can penetrate and work wonders. All the proteins or oils and our emulsifiers should work wonders, friends. Yeah, so I'm going to sit under a bonnet dryer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, so these hair dryers actually work very well, friends. Like and they last long. Like, I had, whenever I deep conditioner, I don't skip this step. This is very, very important, friends. But of course, you know what, it is very hot. Actually, I didn't manage to sit under a bonnet dryer for like more than 20 minutes. So make sure that you set your blow dryer on low setting, friends. On low setting. You don't have to set it on high heat. It should be on low setting. Yes, so once you have set it on low setting, you are good to go. Sit under that sit under that bonnet hair dryer and enjoy. But of course, as you may be aware, if you belong on this channel, I love reading. So I'm reading the devotional book Christ Triumphant. Yes, so like reading will actually draw us closer to our God. Like, we need to be Bible students so that we are not cheated, so that you prevent yourself from wrong doctrines, friends, because it is a very serious thing. We are living in the last days, when there are more false prophets in our world today, and it is very, very difficult actually to tell the counterfeit, from the truth, because the counterfeit actually looks more like the real one. So for you to differentiate, you need to be a Bible student and be a prayerful person, friends. So I love reading very much, friends. Like, I do read spiritual books every day. Yes, friends. So comment in the section below what kind of books you read and the books that you love. So I love spiritual books very much, and I also love motivational books, and also books which talks about a lifestyle, like healthy lifestyle, how to manage your money, and how to how to be positive. I like positive books which talks about positivity, yes, or books which you know which actually helps me to have a positive mind or positive thinking, no matter the situation that I'm going in. So friends, like whenever you read, make sure that you approach the word of God with a teachable spirit. But of course, you know what, I did pray in my heart. Yes, so we are killing two birds actually, with one stone. Yes, so you can utilize this time, to read a book. You can do whatever you want to do, but I opt to study the word of God, because this helps me a lot in my Christian journey. Yes, so of course, I do share actually Christ like lifestyle. So I upload Christ like lifestyle on Sabbath, Friday evening when the sun sets. That's when the Sabbath begins, and sometimes I post on Saturday in the morning. So make sure that you check out for videos on Christ like lifestyle videos. I also share about how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and I also share about DIY, a lot of things on this channel, so you can come back every day and check for more videos. And friends, comment in the section below, like how how long do you sit under a bonnet hair dryer? Because sometimes our products come with a certain time range, some usually 15 to 20 minutes and 30 actually. Yes, so at this point, friends, I'm going to rinse out, and I was so happy, and I started singing, all to Jesus I surrender, all to him I freely give. Yes, so like I love singing very much, friends, to the glory of God. Like spiritual songs draw me closer to God, and they strengthen me, help me in my Christian journey. Yes. So comment in the section below, friends. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.